Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kendra. Y'all are kicking it with me today. Today we have Comicpalooza out here in Houston, Texas at the George R. Brown. Y'all, this is the biggest event for anime, and I know a couple of people who are doing things to their cars, and I appreciate their builds. Today I am rocking my Superman shirt. Y'all already know. I'm gonna show y'all the back too. So y'all already know I'm rocking his shirt, so he gotta be out here. So I'm gonna make sure that y'all see his build, all the rest of the builds they have out here, and I'm gonna show y'all some of the vendors that they have. So if you haven't been able to come to this event, you missed out, but I'm gonna let y'all see some of the stuff that they had so you don't feel like you weren't here all together. But I appreciate y'all for tapping into this video. Let me know what y'all think. Drop some comments down below, but we're gonna get into it.
Rock and hit us with it 3 years in the heights. So this is about 60% of what we do.
You don't really sweat a lot. It just makes you melt. Here you melt too, but it's not. The humidity kind of keeps you cool. You don't be sweating, soaking wet, but it does keep you cool.
Do you have any questions? The anime section. Got the wide body, Joker themed out. I know this wrap costs a little bit. F8 Hellcat, Ripping Team Mod Effects, the Battle Cats, bag, carbon fiber hood. Man, they be putting a lot into these wraps. Mortal Kombat. I just seen a Mortal Kombat Charger. Not a Mortal Kombat Charger, but I think it is one. G.I. Joe. That's what I saw. Marcus up here.
Oh, yeah, it is. Wait. No, it's not. It's just Scarlet. I was like, Scarlet.
Big boats. Wheels. I seen at the meet. This is a G.I. Joe one.
One for $10.
Oh, no, you're good. Sorry. That is a nice band to sit at. Mopar Mafia, y'all see that?
I'll be right back.
Y'all see Cyborg? Cyborg song. Got the reflective wrap on his Challenger. Back plate. Red wheels. Got this nice little setup right here. Mopar Mafia again in the building. They doing their thing. And y'all already know who this is. Superman. Superman with the Superman. You know I had to come up here with the shirt. Yes. Look at this. That's official like a whistle, okay? Look at that.
Yeah, yes. Wait, hold on.
They got the Walking Dead for y'all.
For some reason, it's always gotta be good. Come on, get in here.
Oh man. I was trying to catch everybody. Look at this, y'all.
You never care.
Y'all know.
I'm just waiting on Fridays so I can get the game from my homegirl over here, little sis, bang bang gang.
Hey,
You
y'all
know
already know. He holding it down right now. Look at that. Dick out. Look at them stars. You already know he got the big TV in the back. That trunk set up though. I don't know if I ever saw his air suspension set up. Venom car. That's good. Y'all, people be putting a lot of money into their cars. Look at that. Smoked out back. One-on-one, y'all, letting y'all know. Mississippi in the building. You already know he got the blood splatter thing. The red interior. Mississippi 601. Maximum effort. Maximum effort, y'all. Look at that inside. Splatter. And y'all, this is Devin Super Saiyan. All the works. Y'all see that, did you? then y'all see that? He is signed. The voice behind the Goku signed the whip, y'all.
Got the voice of Goku.
Huh?
That's dope. The guy that
I know.
that is dope.
That's crazy.
Dope. I got chills. Look.
Man, I'm sad I'm not over
shit.
here.
That's dope. To hear him sing.
Y'all see how much effort he put into his whip though? Hydro dipped. All that. Got the powder coated Brimbos. Shoes.
This is the part that Daddy used to have.
Y'all already know the team that put that together, Mighty Fast. Look at the inside, y'all. Hydro Dip Dash. Oh, I didn't even realize he had this in there. Y'all.
Love the detail.
Crazy. Crazy. This is what you call details. This is a build. This is building a car right here. This is the wife that supports it all. Y'all know it's the woman behind the build. We gotta support y'all. Is Devin over here?
Yeah, they went to the character just came over here and signed.
it the sign?
So they went to talk to like the to authenticate the signature.
Oh, okay, man. I hope he
somewhere
comes.
down
I
there.
hope he comes back over here. I'm sad that I missed it. I would have loved to got it on
Oh,
video.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Man. I saw he got a
Yeah, he
big
signed-
signature in the
here first.
Oh, he signed
yeah, we
here.
stood in line first, and then he
Wow.
signed on here on
That's
the dash.
crazy, y'all.
And then
He is
signed
getting that authenticated right now. Look at that. Sheesh. Can't get rid of it now. Can't get rid of it now. And he got that Corsair exhaust. You already know when he turned that on, he gonna rock the building. This is a nice build. Y'all already know he been working on this one for a while. Y'all make sure y'all following him, Super Saiyan Blue 392. How I miss it? How did I miss that? I'm so sad.
It's
Tell him
all
to come
good.
back. He gotta come back. That's
Man,
crazy.
yeah. That right there was bucket
They
list.
made the whole weekend, right?
Pretty much.
Ooh, I didn't know you made it here.
Yeah, I had to come out and support y'all here doing y'all
Shit,
thing.
man,
I
what's
got your
going
whip out there
on?
too.
Hey.
Yes, y'all know they said no scooters allowed. Look at
No
him.
scooters allowed. Thug
Breaking
life.
the-
You
breaking
saw
the
it.
rules.
Thug life.
Breaking the rules.
Thug life.
Man, that's crazy. Y'all already see it. I just can't get enough of this one. All right, we're gonna check out some of these other bills too. I'm so happy for Devin, but man, that's how you know. Spider-Man, smile you on camera. You follow your heart and put whatever you want into your build and get that recognition. That's what it's all about. Oh, look at the little Yoda bear. You got that on planet. And your baby too. So y'all, I had to make sure that I put Corey on camera. He is the guy behind Carmic.con who helped put all of these cars together and get them here at Comicpalooza. Y'all saw some of them. We're gonna still take a look at a few more, but I wanted to make sure that I get some time to chat with him about why it was so important for these cars to even just be here, because obviously it's something different that's going on this year. So I'm gonna introduce y'all right now.
Carmic.con is where we're going. So
Okay.
CARMIC.CON. That's the brand, and that's what we're pushing. You know.
And why was it important for Comicpalooza to be at this particular event?
So Houston's Comicpalooza is one of the biggest comic conventions, pop culture conventions in our region. So in Texas, we do about 50,000 people a year when we do this show. The show was a little reduced this year, and it feels like we still had 50,000 people or more come through the door. And for us to have this kind of placement and this kind of presence for Carmic.con, it's groundbreaking, because the theme cars, or the American Itasha cars is what I'm calling them, we've been ignored. Like, nobody pays attention to us. Nobody really sees the value or what we see and the passion that we have to do something like this, where we do a Miles Morales car, or a Dragon Ball Z themed car, or a Venom themed car, or my Tesla over there. So this was huge, because this lets the community know that we're not just the group of cars that you speckle around or you put us out somewhere on the lot. When you put us together and you can make that fist at our car meet, we're guaranteed to pull the attention to our area.
Yeah.
You know.
So you want to show us your, because you just got this wrapped in,
Oh
right?
yeah, we can walk over here.
Let's take a closer look at this wrap. I think, how long it's been done? For like a week?
About a week.
A week? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I saw some on Instagram. If y'all haven't seen, he was on the news too when he was pulling up. So I saw it there, and it was looking real nice.
Just about every news station in Houston picked us up, because this was such a huge thing for Comicpalooza to have a car show. A lot of people have tried to do this, but nobody could do it like we could do it, because of all the relationships we built through our Instagram feed. We have cars across the country and across the world that are a part of Carmic.con, and they send us pictures almost daily. We get our inboxes just overloaded with pictures of dope pictures of cars. So if you have a themed car and you wanted to be featured on Carmic.con, just DM us that picture with all the credits: who wrapped the car, who designed the car, who took the photos, because we want to make sure that everybody gets the attention that they deserve. You can do these wraps in many different ways, but what I did with my wrap is I decided to tell a story, and I created a scheme or a storyline. We started off on this side of the car, where, if you don't know much about My Hero Academia, this guy right here was the underdog at one point in time. His name is Deku, and this guy over here is Shigaraki, the hero, the villain, but he started from nothing. Everybody doubted him, and he overcame, and he never changed his outlook on how he means to help people. And you have the waifu, which is the girl that everybody wants. She's kind of like a Harley Quinn of this series, where she's crazy, but when she decides that she loves somebody, she decides that she wants to become them. So that's what she's doing. She's jumping in to steal his blood so that she can become him. Her heart, as she jumps on his back to steal his blood. So once she gets the blood, she changes into him. And then on the other side, they fight. But she can only hold that transformation for so long. So you can see that she changed into him, and she's changing back. You know, it's melting over. This wrap was customly drawn, hand-drawn by a company called Fracturized. They're online. I'll send you the link so you can have it. But the guy does amazing work. He listens. If you tell him to watch videos, he'll go out and watch a whole series so he can understand how the character works. We talked for a while before he actually did it, and it took him less than 2 weeks to knock this out once we got our scheme together.
Y'all see right there. Make sure y'all following Carmic.con on Instagram.
And then one last thing I want to say is that Express Skins is the company that wrapped the car. They sponsored the wrap, and without them, this wouldn't have been possible. So Kendra, you support everybody, it seems like. What made you come out here, like you guys came out here and you and your family bought tickets and you're supporting Carmic.con and what we're doing?
I mean, we just enjoy car builds.
Yes.
So it doesn't matter what kind of build it is, whether it's a big wheel build with the old schools, or it's the anime builds, or, you know, just other kind of things. So I have an appreciation for it, and I know that folks like Corey are out here working hard to put stuff on the map. So when you see people working so hard, you got to come out and support. It's hard to not do that. So that's the reason why we out here today. We just showing support for everybody, you know, that's pouring their heart out into their build, and then they also, you know, support us too. So, you know, it's got to be a two-way street, and we appreciate all the love that we always get. So we got to show love with everybody as well. So
Thank you.
that's the reason why we
definitely appreciate
And I'm
that.
glad that we came out and got the kids out and stuff like that, because we saw some good stuff today.
If y'all could have made some of the panels, I mean, I know you may have heard in the lives, but it was like wild in here. It
Yeah,
was crazy.
yeah. I
The
know
energy.
Randall got a chance to see some, and I'm like, man, I didn't even realize he was coming up here to help clean a few cars. But I was like, if I would have came up here, I would have enjoyed it. But definitely next time.
Most definitely.
Probably get up here on day
2022,
one.
it's going to be May 2022. It's going to be huge. Like
Yep.
I said, 100 cars. We're going to take over the third floor. At present, that's the plan. The third floor, 100 cars. There's going to be a custom scene and layout. I mean, like they're sparing no expense on the layout. You're going to be pleasantly surprised at what we do in 2022.
Y'all, so y'all heard it first. Y'all better make sure y'all lock in that date. Y'all see the Tesla behind me and all the rest of this stuff, man. Like I said, it's been a good day. We're going to keep walking around. We're going to keep seeing some stuff. But I appreciate Corey jumping onto the channel. Y'all make sure y'all, like I said, follow Carmic.con, everything they have going on over there. But let's get back to looking at a few cars, and we're going to go from there. So let's do it. So this was the truck that was unveiled with the Joker theme. And y'all can see that it is, I heard it's reflective. I think it's reflective. It's printed on chrome, done by Image Graphics. Y'all know if y'all want to be getting up into these kind of anime cars, you gotta come with the bag. Look at that Joker though. Look at the homage to these other Jokers. They laugh at me because I'm different. I laugh at them because they all the same. Y'all do not be the same. Letting you know it's okay to be different. I'm loving everything I see out here today. Oh, wait, I'm missing something. Hold on, I'm missing something.
Okay, I can do that.
Excuse me.
I'm talking about.
He had him looking at me like, I got
Hey, long as it was him. Long as it was him. Long as it was him.
Group picture is next. 2022. We gotta come harder. Come harder. So we're gonna do the group picture in front of the Comicpalooza sign.
Can we do it in front of Goku?
Nah, we're gonna do it in front of the Comicpalooza sign. And after that, we're just waiting to break down and get out of here.
Yes, sir.
But thank everybody. Seriously, thank you guys. Like you guys made this show a success. And that's
Raise that up again, man.
All right, raise that trophy up, man. Open that up.
Well, I'm the only one clapping. Y'all hear me clapping. Everybody clapping.
We all want to see it.
Mafia's not gonna shut up about this.
You sure right. We not.
There we go. Let me get a close up on that. Y'all see that? This is what it's all about, y'all. These are the bills. People are putting their cars together, y'all. This was definitely a good time to come out here. It's a few more cars that I want to see before we wrap up. So we're going to go look at those real quick. I don't want to miss nothing, and I don't want y'all to miss nothing. Because if y'all weren't here, y'all done already missed it. So I ain't going to let y'all miss nothing else. So we're going to go ahead and see this other whip and a few other ones. And then we're going to try to catch them while they're doing this other stuff. Y'all know I love me a nice black whip.
Well, I had a kid call us, and we saw him at the con 4 years ago. And he kept our car, and he emailed like a year ago.
It's starting to become a real big thing, the themed cars, but you gotta come with it because it is not cheap. These wraps, crazy. Oh, and y'all know he went to Texas Whip Fest. He said, I'm out here. Right here.
I'll definitely go get the Akatsuki.
Sorry.
The tag on the front. I can't go picker wise, but
Got the hood done. Some graphics on that on the side. Y'all gonna get tired of this beeping when y'all listen to this, because we done closed out the building, okay? We got this one, got undergo, wheel lights. And those lights in the back are really cool. This was a good, I heard it was a good turnout. Like I said, we just pulled up, everybody's starting to pack up and stuff like that, but I had to come show everybody some love that's in the car community that always be rocking with us. So we got to make sure that we support those who support us and just get that love out. Y'all already see Comicpalooza, we in this thing. If you haven't already, make sure y'all subscribe to this channel, like this video. Y'all comment, tell me what y'all think about the vehicles that I showed y'all. At the end of the day, these are all builds, one of one, and I can admire and appreciate everything that they put into it. Yeah, y'all already know how I get. I'm like a kid in a candy store. So we're gonna get some of these cars rolling out. Teslas is just, they just too much, y'all. Look at this. Nobody even in there. And it's singing to me. Y'all, this has been a good day at Comicpalooza out here in Houston, Texas. Y'all see all the cars behind me. Everybody's getting ready to head out. I appreciate y'all tuning into this video. Like I said, it's definitely gonna be more content coming, doing some different stuff. Gotta show love to the anime. Corey with Carmic.con, he done gave us a little background of why it was so important for him to have this here at Comicpalooza. So definitely shout out to him. Make sure y'all following his page so that y'all can see everything that he got going on. He already called it 2022 going all the way up, but for right now 2021 we still finna do our thing. So like I said, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. Y'all already see I got the Superman shirt on. You gotta rep your folks. So until next time, I'ma holler at y'all later, but I'll see y'all on the flip side.